Welcome to your home workout journey.
Starting a workout routine at home can feel overwhelming, but it's easier than you think. With the right plan, you can improve your fitness using just your body weight and a bit of space. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to create a balanced, safe, and enjoyable beginner workout routine.
Setting your fitness goals.
Before you begin, take a moment to define your fitness goals. Are you hoping to get stronger, improve your stamina, or simply become more active? Clear goals will help you choose the right exercises and stay motivated on your journey. Remember, small, realistic goals are the key to lasting success.
Choosing simple exercises.
Focus on basic, full-body movements suitable for beginners. Some great options include bodyweight squats, push-ups, lunges, glute bridges, and planks. These exercises strengthen multiple muscle groups and do not require equipment. Start with easier versions and progress as you gain strength and confidence.
Structuring your routine.
A balanced routine includes a warm-up, main workout, and cool-down. Begin with 5 minutes of light activity, like marching in place or arm circles, to prepare your body. Then, cycle through your chosen exercises, aiming for 1 or 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions each. Finish with gentle stretching to aid recovery.
Staying consistent and tracking progress.
Consistency is more important than intensity when starting out. Aim to exercise 2 to 3 times per week. Track your workouts in a notebook or app to see your progress. Celebrate small wins, listen to your body, and adjust your routine as you get stronger. Remember, every step counts toward better health.